Hi everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to enable or disable security alerts in end-to-end encrypted chats on Messenger application. So the first thing you should do here is of course you have to make sure that you're using the latest version of your Messenger application. Once done, you need to open or launch Messenger application. Tap these three lines at the top left corner and then you will see a gear icon and that is settings. Tap that one and then here you have to scroll down till you see this privacy and safety. Tap this. Now here you have to scroll down and then look for end-to-end encrypted chats that is under security. So tap that one and then you will see the security alerts. So view and manage alerts for logins and keys. So you have to click this manage security alerts. And if you want to turn this one off, you have to turn this one off. Or if you have to turn this one on, then turn this one on. But basically, that's how you simply enable or disable security alerts in end-to-end encrypted chats on Messenger. So that's it. Now you can now exit and you can log into other device. So if you want to suggest a topic or tutorial, please do comment down below and please do subscribe to our channel. See you again in our next video tutorials.